Good morning, everyone. This is me again, Sir Alan. And for today's lesson, we have transform quadratic function from general form into vertex form. So the general form of a quadratic function is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Gagawin natin ngayon guys is to transform from general form of a quadratic function into a vertex form. Vertex form of quadratic function is y is equal to a quantity x minus h squared plus k, where your h and k is your vertex. So as you remember, yung graph kasi ng quadratic function natin is parabola. So yung vertex niya is the hk. So wag na natin patatagalin pa. Let's do transform number 1 and number 2. Okay, let's do first number 1. Given formula or given equation is x squared plus 4x plus 10. So unang-unang gagawin natin guys is to regroup the equation with having the variable x. So i-regroup natin. So we have y is equal to x squared plus 4x. So group natin yan plus 10. So, since sa group natin yung gagawin natin is to make it a perfect square trinomial. So, kung naalala nyo yung completing the square, so the process is the same. So, kukunin natin yung isang value which will make this equation into a perfect square trinomial. So, gagawin natin guys to get this is to use the formula 1/2 b squared or b over 2 squared. So therefore, identify natin yung value ng b. So this is a, your b, and your c, right? Kung naalala nyo yun. So your b there is 4. So gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung 4 and substitute to the formula. So therefore, 4 over 2 squared is equal to 2 squared is equal to 4. So there you have it guys. Our value of 4. So, gagawin natin guys is to add this to our regrouped variable x. So, add natin yung value ng 4 dun sa regrouped value ng variable x and isubtract natin dun sa constant part para pantay pa rin yung ating equation. Okay? Ulitin ko, gagawin natin is yung nakuha nating b over 2 square, i-add natin dun sa regrouped variables to make it a perfect square trinomial and to subtract this on your constant part to make your equation the same para balanse pa rin, okay? So therefore, we'll add this 4 and we'll subtract 4. So yun guys, I hope you follow. So okay, so now since our variable x there is in perfect square trinomial, so gagawin natin is to simplify this one and factor out. So, mangyayari dyan, so we have y is equal to, this is squared, so this is x, and this is 2. So factors, square root of x squared is x, and square root of 4 is 2. So since the sign of your b there is positive, so therefore, you have the positive sign. So your answer is x plus 2 quantity square. And this is 10 minus 4 is positive 6. Okay? So there you have it guys, our answer. So ganun lang po siya kadali. So our answer there is y is equal to x plus 2 squared plus 6. Okay? Okay, very good. So therefore, your hk there, your hk or vertex is since your vertex form formula is negative h, so therefore your h is equal to the negative value of your positive 2. So this part. So this is negative 2. And your k there is positive 6. So your hk is negative 2 and positive 6. So ganun lang po siya kadali guys. Okay, I hope you follow. So let's try example number 2. So this is y is equal to 2x squared minus 12x minus 2. So unang-unang gagawin guys is to regroup your variable x. So therefore, nag-group na natin yung variable x natin. So then what is the next thing to do is to make it a perfect square trinomial. Okay? So therefore, take note guys, take note lang natin na since our regrouped variable x can be factored out, kasi pwede ma-factored out yan, so lalabas natin yung 2. So therefore, factor is 2 sa labas. So 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. So this is x squared minus 12 divided by 2 is 6x. So this is 6x minus 2. So gagawin natin guys is to make it a perfect square trinomial. So rule natin dito is to add the value on the regroup side and to subtract the value on the constant part. So add natin dito sa regroup ng variable x, pero subtract natin sa dito sa may constant part. Okay? So bakit? Para pantay pa rin yung equation natin. Okay? Very good. So therefore, getting this value, we can use the formula b over 2 squared. So the value of your b there is negative 6. So this is negative 6 over 2 squared. So therefore, this is negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. And negative 3 squared is positive 9. So therefore, we add the value of 9 here. Looking at this part, so titignan natin dito guys, since nag-factor out tayo ng 2, di ba nag-factor out tayo ng 2? So gagawin natin, so this is 9. So gagawin natin dito sa kabila guys is to multiply your value 9 by 2 para may add natin dito sa kabila. Okay? So therefore, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So gagawin natin, negative 18 na yun sa kabilang side. Okay? Para pantay guys, kasi nag-factor out kasi tayo ng 2. Kasi 2 times 9 is 18. So therefore, 18 din sa kabilang side. I hope you follow guys. So therefore, simplify your perfect square trinomial into a perfect square binomial. So therefore, mangyayari dyan, 2 is equal to square root ng x is x. Square root ng x squared is x. Then, square root ng 9 is 3. This is square. Since your sign there is negative, your b sign is negative, so therefore, your sign is also negative. So, x minus 3 is 12. Then, negative 2 minus 18, subtracting like sign is to add. So, therefore, gagawin natin, add natin yung dalawa, copy their sign. So therefore, 2 plus 18 is 20. Copy their sign, negative. Okay, so therefore, your answer is this one. There you have it guys. Our answer is y is equal to 2 quantity x minus 3 squared minus 20. So your hk value is, your h there is the negative h, right? So, negative of h. So, therefore, the negative of negative 3 is positive 3. Okay, so, positive 3. And your k is negative 20. So, your hk value, guys, is 3 and negative 20. So, ganun lang po siya kadali, guys. I hope you understand our lesson today. Thank you so much guys for tuning in my YouTube channel, Alano TV Official. And see you soon for more video tutorial.